Hello family, welcome to this new video. Today you're gonna learn something new. Very often you hear these expressions or these phrases. Sometimes you don't know what they mean. This video is for you. Video ça c'est pour vous. Vous pral konnen. Là utiliser phrase ça qui ça veut dire parce que assez souvent pile là nous contende yo, mais nous pas sûr, nous pas réellement connaît qui ça veut dire. You're gonna learn what it's on me means. Not a bit. No biggie, that's late, catch up, it beats me. Phrase ça c'est ça qu'on va l'apprendre jodi a, on va l'apprendre qui ça veut dire et comment pour utiliser. Stay there, like and comment and share. I'm coming back to teach you this very important video. All right, Teacher Daniel is back, friends. I really appreciate when you like, when you comment, and I'm sure you do that. Thank you very much. I count on you. I love you and working for you. Vraiment apprécier ça, le partager, le like, et ou fait quoi avec nous. Ça vraiment intéressant, le participer dans quoi. Ça vraiment intéressant. But today's class is about phrases, some important phrases or common phrases. Very often you hear when people are speaking English, les moun yo a parler anglais ou assez souvent entendre, but sometimes you don't know, you're not sure that what you hear, what you understand, if it's exactly what it is. So today's class, you are going to learn the meaning of some important phrases or common phrases you very often hear. Jodi an vidéo pour apprendre phrase sa yo signification. Now, let's go to pronounce first the phrases. On va aller prononcer d'abord phrase yo. Okay. The first one, it's on me. It's on me. Ou prononcer normal, ou dit it's on me. Ti point S ça que ou là, I'm talking about the sound. Ma parler de son. Là où ti point S ça là dans son, hein? It's sound. You say on sun. It's on me. It's on me. Can you say after me? Est-ce qu'on peut dire après moi en aller? It's on me. It's on me. It's not too difficult to say. It's on me. C'est pas trop difficile à dire. It's on me. 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 Yeah, it's on me. You say it. Great. Good job. Ou deal. Très facile. On va aller. Don't think it's difficult. Pas mettre tout que c'est difficile. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Si m'ka fel ou ka fel. Seulement, ça m'a de plus temps pour vous-même. The second is not a bit. Sometimes if you hear people say not a bit, it depends on where the person is. Ça va dépendre de qui côté moun na ye, qui anglais qu'il pratique. Not a bit. Not a bit. Not a bit. And you say nada, not a bit. Okay, what do I say nada? Because this T here gives me a fast or a flat D sound. You say nada, nada, nada. Yeah, T abam yon D rapide, you relay ça flat D. Okay, the flat D. Okay, you say nada bit, not a bit, not a bit, not a bit. It's on me, not a bit. Not a bit. Not a bit. It's on me. Not a bit. Not a bit. Yeah, you sound like the native way ou sonne même jan natif là. Parler. Si ou ta remen parler ta kou natif. Not a bit. Not a bit. Good. Now you say no biggie. No biggie. No biggie. No biggie. No biggie. It's easy. No biggie. Can you say no biggie? Est-ce qu'on peut répéter ça en aller? No biggie. Good job. You say that very well. If you can't say it, practice, keep practicing it. Say no biggie. Okay. And after it's that's lit. That's lit. That's. I know TH sound might be difficult for you. But konnen TH sound nan kapab difficile. Parce que gen moun kap di that. But it's that's. That's. Try it. Okay, try it. That's lit. 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 Lit. That's lit. That's lit. That's lit. You can see my mouth. That's lit. That's lit. That's lit. Good. Before the last is catch up. Catch up. Catch up. You say catch. I catch you. M'attrape. Catch. Catch up. Catch up. Now, if you pronounce it quickly, you say catch up. Catch up. Catch up. Catch up. Catch up. All right, catch up. Catch up. And the last is it beats me. 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 Yeah, it beats me. You say, it's on me. Répétez après. Repeat after me. It's on me. Not a bit. No biggie. That's lit. That's lit. Catch up. It beats me. It beats me. Great. Now it's time to teach you what they mean. Okay, the first one is it's on me. You use it's on me, for example, if you go out with your friend, you go to a restaurant with your friend and you eat, your friend eat, and then after you go to pay, and then your friend take his wallet to pay, you say no. It's on me. It's on me, ça veut dire I'll pay the bill. Ma paye bill la, ma paye frais à pour. I'll pay the bill. Ma paye frais à pour. Ça veut dire ou pas besoin payer pour là. Don't pay yours. I'm gonna pay for you. I'll pay the bill. C'est ça. Le moun nan dit it's on me. No, it's on me. I'll pay the bill. I'll pay the bill. Next is not a bit. Not a bit. Not a bit, you use it when you want to make a strong negative statement. Which is in not a bit là, c'est lorsque vous voulez accentuer son négation, vous voulez accentuer d'une manière forte. OK? Vous voulez réellement dire non, 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 du tout pas. Ça signifie du tout pas. OK? Not a bit. But in other context, you can use it to say that I'm not tired. OK? D'une manière générale, vous utilisez not a bit pour dire formellement non, c'est du tout pas. Mais vous êtes capable d'utiliser dans plusieurs contextes. Même genre là, for example, if you say, oh, you're tired maybe, you say, not a bit. Okay, not a bit. Yeah, vous pouvez utiliser dans plusieurs autres contextes. But in this case, not a bit means I am not tired. Ça va dépendre de quel contexte vous utilisez là. But me, I use it in this context. You say, I'm not tired. I'm not tired. Je ne suis pas fatigué. Je ne suis pas fatigué. Okay, are you tired? Not a bit. Vous fatigué? Du tout pas. Ouais, on peut utiliser, on dit not a bit. Okay? Not a bit. A strong negative statement. Next one is no biggie. No biggie. No biggie. No biggie. No biggie means no problem. No biggie, no problem. This is another way to say no worries. Pas inquiéto, sans problème. Okay? Sans problème. Aucun problème, aucun souci. You say no biggie. No biggie. Good. No biggie. Okay, can I borrow your car again? No biggie. Vous te fin prêter machine moun yo, gaspiller tout gaz là, et vous demandez encore, sans problème. Il dit aucun problème. No biggie. Okay? No biggie. The next one is that's late. That's late. You use that's late to say something is amazing. That's amazing. That's good. That's cool. That's great. Là, vous voulez parler d'un bagage qui amusant, qui intéressant, qui bon, qui bien, qui normal, ou dit that's late. Oh, I love this movie. Wow, that's late. It's amazing. Or that's amazing. That's late. You say that's late. Oh, that's late. Good. And before the last, you say catch up. Catch up is another way to say see you later. Yeah, see you later. Okay, catch up. Catch up, friend. Catch up, man. Catch up. You say catch up, you say see you later. See you later or see you later, how you want. And the last is it beats me. It beats me. For example, you can say, hey, can you say why she's dancing like that? Can you say why she's dancing like that? It's got weird. It's weird. I can't see that. Can you say why? You say, it beats me. It beats me. Can you tell me why mom doesn't give me money anymore? It beats me. C'est comme si son façon pour dire ça dépasse. OK? M'pa konnen. No idea. M'pa gen pièce idée sous ça. Yeah. It beats me means I don't know. IDK. I don't know. I don't know. Great. It beats me. Ça dépasse moi, m'pa konnen le papa. It beats me. I don't know. And you say it's on me, I'll pay the bill. Not a bit, I'm not tired. No biggie, no problem. That's lit, that's amazing. Catch up, see you later. It beats me, I don't know. I'll pay the bill, ma pay bill là. I'm not tired, moi pas fatigué. No problem, aucun souci, aucun problème. That's amazing, c'est impressionnant. See you later, à plus tard. I don't know, je ne sais pas, m'pas connais. I think you love this video. Show me you love it. Montrez-moi qu'on aime vidéo ça, qu'on aime travail là. Lorsque vous partagez, leur like, ou voyez ticket, ou voyez fleur, ou voyez diffé, ou dites qu'on aime. Very important. Thank you so much for watching. Merci parce que vous prenez temps pour nous regarder vidéo ça. Ça fait plaisir, ça fait que me chaud. Thank you so much. I will never stop saying that I love you. Je me suspends que vraiment, I love you, I love you, I love you so much, and catch you in another and a better video. Bye bye.